You don't need to wait to your golden years to enjoy your money. Getting to your golden years is not the ultimate aim of life. Quitting your job is not the reason you ought to have money in the first place. What you're probably frustrated by is the financial planning industry diagnosing and prescribing the same medication to you and to all your friends and family for the exact same problems. What happens when you don't know what meet your goals means? Meeting your goals, if you even have any, is not the ultimate aim of your life. How do you create a life and enjoy the fruits of your labor before getting to age 65 and spending the last 3 decades of your life in a rocking chair? What does meaningful impact look like for you and your family? Answer that and everything else falls into place. Ready to transform your wealth to significance? Let us know and we can help put your money to its highest purpose before, during, and after your peak earning years.